LVL, also known as Laminated Veneer Lumber, is a popular type of engineered wood product used in the construction industry. While LVL is made all around the world, the only producer of LVL in Australia is based in the country's west. Here they utilise locally grown, sustainably managed plantation softwood and hardwood to create a variety of LVL products. In this episode of WoodSolutions InFocus, we get special access to the factory floor to see how LVL is made.
Wesbeam is the only singular LVL manufacturer in Australia, and we make a full range of LVL products from formwork LVL through to commercial LVL and I-joists that are commonly used in residential floor frames.
If you're interested to learn more, watch the full video on our YouTube channel.